Hey, what's up guys? Hold on one second. My name is Neo and this is the I just went through about 100 rounds on the M&P 12 and so far it's been working really well. I really enjoy shooting this gun. It's probably not a good idea to wear a tank top while shooting a shotgun, especially if it's your first time.
I'm like fucking sweating.
I actually got a bruise on my shoulder the next day. The sight it really just looks great with the gun. I'm actually so excited. And the lens is crystal clear. Zero distortion. It's like there's nothing there. It's got a big window. You get a very good visual field. The sight also has night vision compatibility. And if you look on the side of the sight, it's got these little serrations which match really well with the serrations on the shotgun itself. So it really just kind of feels like a whole set. If you look closely, you'll see these little M symbol kind of engraved throughout the gun. There are just a lot of details that are put onto the gun itself, which I really like. One of the most special thing about the M&P 12 shotgun is that it has 2 magazine tubes. So you can potentially load 2 different types of shotgun shells on each side of the tube. For example, if I load like a box shot on the right side and a slug on the left side, I can kind of use the box shot for regular zombies. And if there are some kind of mutant zombie that are just bigger, I can just press the button and switch over to the slugs and shoot those badass down. One thing that's a little awkward about this gun is reloading. On the M&P 12 manual, you're supposed to point the muzzle downward like this and then load from the top, but I wasn't allowed to reload the gun this way at the range. So I kind of have to put it upside down, hold on to the end of the shotgun and then load the shells in, which is actually kind of awkward because there are 2 slots. So when you load the shotgun shell, you have to kind of slightly angulate it to one side. So it might be just me, but if you guys have any tips, feel free to drop a comment below and let me know. In my first 100 rounds, this shotgun is extremely reliable. The only time I get a failure is if you shoot and then the recoil kind of causes accidental pullback from the action and then you get a jam that way, or you don't actually pump it hard enough. You kind of have to really manhandle this gun when you're reloading. You have to go pretty hard, otherwise you won't get a proper cycling.
It fucking hurts.
Yeah, it hurts, right?
Shit.
In the first John Wick, there's a scene where he got hold of a bullpup shotgun and then hunt down the bad guys, and I thought, wow, that gun looks so freaking badass. Now, I know that gun is actually not the M&P 12, it's the KSG. They're really quite similar. A couple of the major differences is that the M&P 12 is longer and actually heavier. Another thing is that the M&P 12 comes with the foregrip, and if you don't like the foregrip, you can actually remove it. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the range. A new sight on this one, so I have to zero it first. I'm gonna use the slugs to zero it because with the regular shell, you get like a splatter of those little shotgun balls, so you can't really tell where's the center. It's a little up and left. Yeah, I think that's good.
In the nose.
Yeah.
like it. Does it come in pink?